Find a comfortable position with your feet flat on the floor and close your eyes if you can. Let's begin. Root. I am. Instinct, security, survival, and grounding. So God created mankind in His own image. In the image of God, He created them. Male and female, He created them. Breathe in and out. Focus on your breathing and let go of any thoughts you may be having. Feel your feet flat, laying on the floor. How do they feel? Are they heavy? Notice the temperature on your feet. Hot, cold, warm? Now I'd like you to wiggle your toes. Try to move as many as you can and clear any thoughts you may be having. Focus on your toes. Very good. Now deep breath in and out. Think or say, I am brave. I am a child of God. I can do anything with Christ that strengthens me. Breathe in and out. Now let your fears become clear to you. Recognize these fears can't hurt you. They are only in your head. What are you afraid of? What is holding you back? Now let it go. You have no power over me. You cannot hurt me. I am brave. I am safe. I let you go. Breathe in and out. I know who I am. I know I am precious, created by God. Now, how will your life look with no fear, without the need to control? How is your life different? How do you feel? I love my life. Thank you, Lord. Today, I choose happiness. Oh, I am. Oh. Open your eyes when you feel ready.